Today I'm going to be walking you around our 2015 Autosleepers Kingham. This is a 2-belt, 2-berth motorhome. As we make our way inside, we have our living area, followed by our kitchen area with our microwave, sink, grill and hob, with our fridge to the left. Next up is our double bed. And our bathroom with our toilet, shower and sink. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, we have our reversing camera. If you have any more questions about the motorhome or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.